Yo, Nick, KB, what's for lunch?
Yeah, I don't really know.
Hibachi.
All right, let's get it.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
Guys, welcome back to What's for Lunch. KB, Nick.
Well,
I did that opposite. Nick, KB, welcome to What's for Lunch.
hey,
Thanks
you,
for
man.
having me.
Having both of you here is a little terrifying. I don't know what to expect, and we're doing hibachi. Have you ever cooked hibachi? I'm assuming not.
No, never have.
Neither have I, so this is new for all three of us. I'm
Wow.
gonna give you this. What I know about hibachi is a lot of gimmicks and a lot of loud noises.
Showmanship.
Showmanship, exactly. Yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do today. We have shrimp and we have steak, then we're gonna make some of the sauces, maybe a fried rice, do a couple egg tosses, I don't know, anything you guys want. This is kind of your show at this point.
Hibachi was like the homecoming meal. This is where you brought your homecoming
Yeah,
day.
I flew in a kimonoed geisha
No
from
way.
Yokohama.
No kidding.
Hibachi was always a special night when I was a kid. I feel like that was birthdays and fancy dinners.
And I've never caught the shrimp. This is the goal today.
So what are we starting with?
Do you have the pissing board?
I have the, I
Pissing
thought you'd
boy.
never ask. And also, this episode is brought to you by some mango shada here. We're going to be doing the pissing boys usually filled with sake. It's filled with mango shada today. Sorry about
No, it's fine.
apologies on my
You're
aim.
better with you. Bless you.
You got it in my nose, but
Sorry.
The guy that invented the Hobbs pissing on like your least favorite sports team's bumper sticker was inspired by this.
Okay.
Really? I didn't know. I thought it was a mouth thing.
A mouth thing.
I thought he typically squirts it out of his mouth.
Oh, this?
The boy.
No, it's
pissing
always
boy?
it's always his dick.
I've never noticed.
Inside of his dick, yeah. So Kyle, do you want to throw a bunch of butter on the
Yeah.
on the plancha there? What do they give you first? The vegetables?
I think they put the protein. Oh, how? I don't have a fucking clue.
All right, we'll start with the zucchini because
Here, air hockey me.
zucchini and mushroom are our vegetables here. All right, wow, that
One
butter, it's a little hot.
Are we burning the butter?
We might be.
Zucchini.
Throw the mushroom on, yeah. Next, that's a lot of butter. More zucchini. I'm just gonna start flinging things to you guys.
How do we chop it?
You cut it on, they usually use their knife on.
Not my knife on.
Right.
You gotta be
chaotic.
ready. Get ready, get
what are
ready,
we
ready?
doing?
Is this my knife
ready,
on?
Ready?
Yeah.
There you go, nice.
I use this.
No, you use a knife. Behind you. Heads up. Look alive.
Get in my pocket.
Here, I'll get the end in your pocket. You ready? One
Yeah.
for you, one for Kyle. Pocket. Yes!
Ah, nice.
Kyle?
Yeah, me.
That's it. One more.
You look bad.
Wait, didn't Kyle get it on his first try? Oh, I confused you with meat.
That works. Get it in the pocket. There we go, all right.
Oh.
All right, whoa.
You told me to cut it.
I told you to wait till it's grilled and then cut it.
Oh shit.
It's all right, it'll work. Bang some salt on it.
Bang some salt.
This is chaotic.
Bang
It's
salt?
hibachi.
Tell us.
All right. Try pissing boy.
Pissing boy.
Censor it.
Pissing boy.
Oh my god.
We'll get the rice going.
An onion volcano, most probably,
Okay,
right?
onion volcano.
You ever make a volcano in science class?
With baking soda?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've always enjoyed that. Here you go.
Thanks, brother.
Okay, onion volcano. Have you ever done this?
No.
Have you?
No, I have not.
dude.
You haven't done anything.
You go by Chef Donny.
I'm not
And
an
you asked
hibachi
us
chef.
if we ever made a fucking onion volcano? Who's your favorite Japanese person?
Chef Morimoto. Iron Chef Morimoto.
Of course.
Is there anything even close to hibachi on the cuisine theater?
The next best thing you're gonna need is like a sizzling fajita plate. I guess Korean barbecue, but you're doing that one yourself.
Hot pot?
Hot pot could be up
Asian
there.
cultures know how to have fun.
I know you started like this and you undo it and restack it.
Okay. Now before this, you showed me a highlight tape of some good ass hibachi chefs.
Yeah,
And I'm gonna try to mimic.
Okay.
Whenever
Fuck.
you get hibachi, do you consider it good food?
No.
No.
What? I mean, it's good.
I
fine.
think it's the best meat,
It's
the
way
best
too
sauces.
It's way too filling. It's always too much.
That's not a real complaint. That's really good,
My
Donny.
volcano's pretty good. We'll put a little bit of our mango shada because there's alcohol. This is a great drink. You can drink it pre-made. We're gonna do a little bit of this for flavor.
I drank it out of the boy's dick and it was phenomenal.
Yeah. And now, Nick, why don't you put into the hole? Put a little bit more of that. Really fill it up.
Look at it. It's
Really
steaming.
fill it up. Really fill it up. All right, that's good. That's good. Choo choo
Oh, faithful.
Ready? That's gonna go. Yeah! Okay, let's put these in a bowl. These are all done.
That looks great.
That looks like hibachi.
It is.
Yes, there you go.
Kyle, yours is like that's a crater.
Oh, Kyle. Oh no.
That sucks, dude.
Fried rice time. Let's do fried rice.
Fried rice.
We can make the beating heart.
The beating heart. What's the beating heart?
You ever seen the beat the heart?
Oh, they turn it into a heart and it...
Yeah. For fried rice, you want to use day-old rice.
Why?
Because regular rice, it's too fluffy. It's all just gonna get super gummy. And then these vegetables we'll put to the side. We're gonna mix that in the rice. You just gotta heat up though. So let those cook. And then you're gonna hit it with soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, salt, and pepper. I'll put the steaks down now too. You wanna put a little oil, and then you wanna spread that out with the back of that. Yep, there you go. Okay, and then with the crack an egg. So do a couple egg tosses.
Yes.
Try the egg toss.
Do they catch on top of their hat?
They do it all. So yeah, do a couple. Try.
Or like spin?
Yeah, spin.
I'm getting on top of the hat.
I think it's like this.
Okay.
Okay.
That was pretty good.
That was pretty fucking good. But watch this.
Give me the long one.
All right, Kyle, your turn.
Oh, wait, we gotta get one of us to get on top of the head.
All right, one on top of the head.
Yeah, that one's cracked.
That doesn't matter. Gentle touch.
Yep.
Yep. The hat might be off. It might be the hat's problem.
Gotta be. I got egg on the ground, Donny.
That's all right.
Oh shit, what was that, dude? What was that?
I did my trick and then something went awry.
That was fun. We might have to do one more volcano.
Yeah, I would love to do one more volcano. Have you seen those guys that can like catch it on the side?
Yeah, they're really good, man. That's why they're the best. That's why they're at Benihana and we're not.
Yeah. Yet.
Someday.
That would be a really good like fantasy football punishment. Like you have to be a hibachi chef for a table that doesn't know. This might be a slap in the face what we're doing right now.
It's probably, but.
Good thing we're not wearing the garb like a costume.
A little soy sauce and the rice. We're coming along here. We'll do one more volcano.
Yeah.
Is it wet enough?
Is it wet enough?
More sauce?
On what?
Maybe some seasoning? I don't know.
You want to bang some salt on there? That's
You
for
keep
the.
saying bang some salt. What does that mean?
Just
a little bang of salt.
You gotta bang it. Just sprinkle some salt then, Kyle. And then shrimp. I have a lot more respect for hibachi chefs. It's a lot to do show-wise and a lot to remember that's cooking at the same time.
Right.
It's the Mario Party of culinary arts.
I don't know, yeah, please explain.
Bunch of mini
A
games.
lot of different things, but still fun.
How often do you think you go to hibachi?
Once a year.
So
Probably
once a
once
year
every
thing.
2 years.
Okay, that's a good amount.
Imagine a globetrotter hibachi chef. They'd be nice
Oh my
with it.
God.
Globetrotters are the closest thing to hibachi chefs. It's like,
They kind of are.
yeah, it's the same job.
Trickery, skill.
All right, let's give these steaks a flip. Wow. All right, you want to do the beating heart? Let's try the beating
Yeah,
heart.
let's do beating heart.
Try
Let's do beating heart.
Kyle, you want to flip the shrimp?
So beating heart is,
Split the
I'll make
shrimp?
this into a heart
Make it
shape.
into a heart and then you go doo-doo, doo-doo.
Okay, okay.
Doo-doo. Don't, that's not, no, what are you doing?
What do you mean,
flip.
split?
I said flip. I said
What
flip
did you
the
think he
shrimp.
said?
He said
Split.
When have you ever
You
seen
thought he said slit?
Split the shrimp.
Kissing boy?
Oh, pissing boy. Pissing boy.
That's a heart?
I'm working on it,
Okay.
dickhead.
All right, that's a good start.
You go underneath.
You underneath?
I feel like this is like the entry level trick.
Yeah, this is beginner level. So this is pretty much hibachi.
So what does hibachi mean?
Getting technical, it has to be over like a griddle. This is technically teppanyaki.
Okay.
So hibachi's built into the table, and it's more of a griddle thing. Teppanyaki's on a plancha, flat top like this.
Is this an Americanized version of hibachi? If you go to Japan, will you get something else?
You'll get something else. Yeah, they have it there though, but it's not. I think it's less gimmicky. So while we're waiting for them to cook, let's take a sip of this mango shada here. This is already a pre-made drink. It mixes perfectly. It's mango and jalapeno, so a little bit of kick.
Ooh, that's why you sneezed when it went up your nose.
Yes. That's why you
Oh.
sneeze. And I'll take a little shot of it too.
Cheers.
A little mango shada.
Boys, what flavors are you getting?
That's delicious. A little mango.
Mango right off the get, but then spicy afterwards.
Jalapeno in the back. That's perfectly balanced though with the mango and the spice. I love it. That would be so good chilled. Put that on ice.
That on the
That's all you
rocks?
need. Yeah. That's a
Yeah.
a nice summertime drink. We still got another month and a half left of summer.
I'm taking this home with me.
Yeah, I'm taking one of those home with me. Damn, mango shada. Check it out. Okay, guys, the steaks are done. One more volcano. Okay,
Don't
rice
worry.
is done.
Rice is done.
Done.
Rice
Bowl,
is
bowl,
done.
bowl.
Bowl.
Oh, that looks
Basketball
good.
player.
Bowl. That looks good.
Donnie, we're doing yum yum sauce.
Yes, we're making yum
And what
yum
are
sauce.
the ingredients of
So,
yum yum sauce?
Thanks for asking, Kyle. I'm glad you asked. We have mayonnaise, we have paprika, we have a little rice wine vinegar, we have some garlic salt, some garlic powder, and then some granulated sugar.
All right.
Now they cut the tails off the shrimp and they flick it to the guests. Can
Reed.
make their yum yum sauce.
I would love
Hungry?
to.
Fuck!
I've got the yips.
Nah, come here.
Now, Donnie,
Yes.
is yum yum sauce proportionally strict, or can I just make the ingredients
Just mix,
dance?
just start dancing. Of course.
Where's the onion?
right here?
Kyle, that's heavy on the
Oh, that was
paprika.
way too heavy. Fuck, I should not have said just go
You said
nuts.
make them dance.
We'll make it work, so you're fine.
I'm thinking this will work because I don't like mayo that much.
All that sugar can go in.
Garlic powder,
Rice wine vinegar. Mix.
definitely paprika heavy.
It's a little paprika.
Show the hue is.
But that's how you like it, right? That's more paprika than anything.
Should we try it?
Yeah.
What do you think, Don?
A lot of paprika. But good.
I think it means more anything, everything.
Really good looking volcano, Nick.
Thank you. It's Mount Aconcagua. Kyle, maybe start prepping the ginger?
Oh yes, Kyle, prep the ginger.
I've never prepped ginger.
Grab a spoon, it's in that top drawer. Okay, so take the back of it and just peel it like this. Here, let's go. Comes right off.
Oh.
Okay, volcano.
Woohoo! Ah.
Oh, that's just fire.
What? That's not a good volcano, but a great fire.
That's a good volcano. That looks great. Okay, shrimp is done. All right, we have made a successful mess, that's for sure, but that's good. That's what hibachi should be.
Do you want the ginger skin?
I was probably going to use it for that ginger soy sauce that they make too, so we can make that one really quick.
Love that.
Any more tricks that we forgot?
Yeah, what else do they do? What are some
What, I don't know. What are they? What are
Crash into the USS Arizona.
they? All right, guys, get a plate. Let's put this on a plate.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, good plate.
Yeah, I love this.
That's a real good one.
Hollow plate.
That must be a bowl.
Some might say a deep plate. I think we need a deeper plate so we can fit more.
You got.
There's a nice deep plate for you.
Is this yum yum sauce going to be honest with its name?
I don't know. I'm a little worried about the yum yum.
Is it a single yum? Is it just yum sauce?
It's single yum.
We dropped the yum.
No, it's just a why. Why is this a thing? Not good.
It's just.
That's horrible.
It's not horrible. It's
bad.
It's bad. It's a single yum.
That needs a garbage can.
I should have not told you to go nuts. On me.
Did you make it dance?
Too hard.
Well, guys, I think we have to just play what we have here. At least the protein came out, the steak came out nice. The shrimp actually is very nice.
All looks good.
We just fucked up the yum yum sauce. It doesn't matter. You know what? We're not hibachi chefs. We're the plating now. Nick, KB, to get the rice to look perfect, I'm gonna show you guys a little trick here. You take a bowl, you pack the rice into the bowl, put this on the plate, and we'll get a perfect little dome.
Oh shit.
Right.
So there we go. We're starting to look nice. That's
Yes.
looking.
Looks right.
If you want to put the shrimps on, that's nice. Oh, Nick, that's real nice.
Thank you. Not too bad yourself. Look at that.
And then yum yum sauce. It's here in spirit.
It's good color.
It's good color. All right.
Nice, quick, simple lunch that anybody could do at home.
All right, guys. And there you go. We have our quick and easy hibachi.
Yes.
I'll let you guys go in first, though.
It's not bad at all.
Amazing.
It's really not bad. That's
Wait, it's good as fuck.
that.
Oh my God.
We should do this way more often.
All right, guys. That's gonna do it for this episode of What's for Lunch. Thank you for watching, Nick and Kyle. Thanks for being here. And guys,
you.
make sure to grab some mango shada. They're at any liquor store near you. It's delicious. Perfect balance between sweet and spicy. Boys, this was fun. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
We'll do it again sometime because I got that for no other reason. So we'll do hibachi day in the future. See you guys.
That shrimp is
I love this.